Hello students, today we reach the last chapter of the syllabus. Yesterday we listened the story The Last Joke. Today we will do the exercises of this last chapter of first term, that is chapter 16. So let us start with question number 1. Put a tick by the ending that gives the best meaning. Number A, Jafir. The correct answer is made the king laugh for many years. Number B, Jafir stopped making the king laugh because Jafir was too old. Number C, Jafir could not remember new jokes because he was forgetful. Number D, the king gave Jafir a little money. Number E, the queen gave Zubaida money to buy food. Number F, when Zubaida gave Jafir the gold coins, Jafir was very pleased. Then see question number 2. Make sentences beginning with the I don't know. The example number 1 is, where is Janak? Answer is, I don't know where Janak is. As previous you have done this one. पहले आप कर चुके हैं बिफोर चैप्टर्स में. I don't know वैसे ही सेम जस्ट वैसे ही है. I don't know where Janak is. Example 2 is, where are the girls going? I don't know where the girls are going. Question number A, answer is, I don't know where Prem is. B, I don't know where Maya is. C, I don't know where the girls are. D, I don't know where Amir is going. E, I don't know where Ajija is staying. F, I don't know where the boys are going. G, I don't know where the girls are playing. H, I don't know where the noise is coming from. I don't know where the people are going. G, I don't know where the bus is going. Then see question number 3. This is also the example sentence. So see the example. Where does he live? Ask him. Ask him लगा के आपको लगाना है. और does है इस क्वेश्चन में, तो आपको जो वर्ब है वो इसमें es does में es लगा हुआ है, तो वर्ब में आपको s लगाना है. तो क्या होगा आंसर? आस्क हिम वेयर ही लिव्स. नंबर 2, वेयर डज शी कीप द शुगर? इन ब्रैकेट डू यू नो. सो आंसर इज, डू यू नो वेयर शी कीप्स द शुगर. इसमें क्या है, डज लगा है, इसलिए वही सही होगा. द आंसर नंबर ए, फाइंड आउट वेयर ही लिव्स. बी, डू यू नो वेयर कुमार गोज टू स्कूल. सी, आई डोंट नो वेयर जॉन कीप्स हिज स्टैम्प्स. D, please tell me where the birds build their nest. E, do you know where Mrs. Das buys her bread? And you put all the question marks. जहाँ अगर मैंने A में क्वेश्चन मार्क्स छूट गया तो आप वहाँ पे लगा लेंगे, ठीक है. Then see question number 4. Make sentences beginning with can you tell me. Can you tell me लगा के आपको सारे सेंटेंस करना है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इजी, बट इसमें क्या है, जैसे एग्जाम्पल है वेयर डिड ही गो, तो डिड है यानी पास्ट टेंस में है क्वेश्चन, तो आपको गो का पास्ट टेंस लिखना होगा वेंट. सो कैन यू टेल मी वेयर ही वेंट. एग्जाम्पल 2 इज, वेयर डिड शी पुट इट. यहाँ भी डिड है, सो कैन यू टेल मी वेयर शी पुट इट. पुट का पास्ट टेंस पुट ही होता है. नंबर ए आंसर, कैन यू टेल मी वेयर शी वेंट. बी, कैन यू टेल मी वेयर दे पुट इट. सी, कैन यू टेल मी वेयर he lost it. D, can you tell me where she found it. E, can you tell me where I left it. F, can you tell me where they found the money. G, can you tell me where they had the accident. H, can you tell me where it turned over. I, can you tell me where it hit the rock. J, can you tell me where he caught the thief. Then see question number 5. Make sentences beginning with does anyone know. इसमें भी डज है, तो आपको वैसे ही आंसर में भी लिखना होगा. द एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट इज, वेयर डज ही वर्क. सो डज एनी वन नो वेयर ही वर्क्स, क्योंकि डज था इसलिए यहाँ पे वर्क्स लगाएंगे. एग्जाम्पल 2, वेयर डिड ही गो. डज एनी वन नो वेयर ही वेंट, क्योंकि डिड है तो फिर गो किस में चेंज हो गया, वेंट में. सो द आंसर नंबर ए इज, डज एनी वन नो वेयर शी इज. बी, does anyone know where he is. Does anyone know where she lived. Number D, does anyone know where they played. Number E, does anyone know where he works. Number F, does anyone know where he kicked the ball. G, does anyone know where the teacher put the picture. Number H, does anyone know where the dogs are? Number I, does anyone know where they keep the snakes? Number J, does anyone know where she took the letter? Okay, so this question is completed. Then turn the page in your book, question number 6, that is on your page number 68. The question number 6 you will fill with the help of the PDF that I have given. So, and the question number 7 is only to read, then see question number 8, the last question of this chapter and your syllabus. Question number 8, make sentences beginning with no one knows. No one knows बस आपको लगाना है और sentence बनाना है. So this is a revision question, so no example is given. So see, answer number A is no one knows what her name is. B, no one knows what he is doing. C, no one knows what color the car is. D, no one knows how tall the building is. E, no one knows how wide the river is. F, no one knows when the lesson began. G, no one knows when the first person arrived. H, no one knows when the meeting begins. I, no one knows when the men will finish. J, no one knows when the children go to bed. So, thus we completed the first term syllabus. From tomorrow, we will start revision classes. So, your homework is to read and revise all these exercises. Write in your English language notebook carefully and properly. Write in neatly and beautiful writing. So, for today it is enough. Thank you. Stay home. Goodbye and take care.